rough ride for them this season. They lost 2 games, but eventually they've got everything together for the games that mattered the most.
It's just a matter of time now. 65 more runs needed of 29 deliveries. The problem is they've just got 1 wicket in their bag. But they should be proud of their performance so far in the tournament. Mumbai Heroes, they tried their best today. Bowled well, they fielded really with a lot of enthusiasm, and also came out there batting positively. We've seen some good shots being hit by all the Mumbai Heroes players. They've fallen way short.
Mumbai Heroes have had a remarkable journey this season. They've done very well. They started off in a very sound manner. They tied the big game against Telugu Warriors. They beat Rhinos quite comfortably. Then there was a hiccup in their campaign. But in the knockout or the virtual quarterfinal game against Tigers, they did well to qualify for the semi-finals. Now they're on the verge of being knocked out of this tournament, but they can always go back with their heads held high. They've done themselves proud. They've worked hard this season. They got a very professional support staff with Balwinder Sandhu as the coach. They got Ajaz as the physio. And all of them put together have worked very hard to come to the stage. Suniel Shetty should be a proud man. Led his side admirably. He instilled that discipline in his teammates that helped them. But today, the Bulldozers have been far too good for them.
It's just not their day, is it? Whenever they've found themselves coming back into the game, they've lost a few wickets, and that's where the game has drifted away from them. Beautiful cover drive by Suniel Shetty. Nobody in covers. Easily jogged away for 2 runs.
The kind of batting lineup Mumbai Heroes had and the kind of powerful strikers they had, I thought 150, 160, even at the knockout stage, would have been a gettable target. But 190 was, even at the beginning, well beyond their reach. And only a superlative performance from a couple of their players would have made a big difference. But that didn't happen today for the Heroes. So after 16 is 130 for 9.